Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. Yaraa is AI powered business suite. So today we are going to see how using Yaraa, you can change your personalized avatar. So we have different options you can choose from when you are interacting with Yaraa. So you can have either black avatar or European or Asian avatar, right? So let's just see how it works. So once you log in Yaraa Manager, you will see the dashboard where you have the setup wizard configuration and invite team members. So there are steps that you can complete to set up the visa, and then on dashboard you have overview of the whole system, how many tasks you have pending, how many are completed, and then you can also get the list of today's tasks or recently assigned tasks, recent projects, all at one place. So this is very good for you to get the overall idea. But now let's just click on settings. Once you click on settings, there will be avatar menu. Click on avatar menu. Using this menu, you will see the different virtual avatars that's available as predefined avatars in the system. So you have Asian, black, as well as European white avatars available. Both male and female options are available. So you can choose depending on your larger target audience what kind of avatar best works for you, and in that you can have that offer to your end customers. So this is very good way to engage your potential customers or your existing customers, right? So virtual avatar is the new thing where you can create and up your game with the customer engagement. So we are giving you the best option that you can use and choose different kind of virtual avatars, and these virtual avatars are now available in web version as well as iPhone and Android both versions. So using just settings menu, you can select your own virtual avatar. And now we have selected and we are now on the dashboard. So thanks for watching the video today. Do subscribe to our channel and do try Yaraa. Thank you.